Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to make some water to uh, to wash your nose, the internal area of the nose. You need 1 glass of water, something to boil, salt, this thing that is for washing your nose, or even a syringe, a funnel, and a cotton piece. This is for filtering all. You put it inside here, okay, and when the water had boiled, and make it colder and leave it to room temperature, you gonna filter everything. Okay, you need this glass of water. They are approximately 250 milliliters. Salt, half a small tablespoon. Okay, I think probably are 3 grams, 4 grams. Okay, yeah, gonna boil everything. Okay, just a moment. When when start to boil it for 5 minutes. After you cover it, you turn off the gas or the heat, and cover it with something that prevents dust and bacteria and all other stuff. Let it cool at room temperature, and then filter it in this way, or you have any method, and then wash your nose. Okay, this is all.